Brushing my teeth. Brushing my teeth is an important part of my daily routine. I do it twice a day, once in the morning after I wake up, and once before bed. In the morning, I brush my teeth to start the day feeling fresh. I grab my toothbrush and put a little toothpaste on it. Then, I gently scrub my teeth in circular motions. I make sure to brush the front and back of every tooth to remove any leftover food. I also brush my tongue because it helps keep my breath fresh. Brushing my teeth helps me feel awake and ready for the day ahead. In the evening, I brush my teeth before bed to make sure I keep my teeth clean while I sleep. I use the same technique to make sure I get rid of the food particles and plaque that build up during the day. After brushing, I rinse my mouth with water, and my teeth feel smooth and clean. I always feel proud when I finish brushing because I know I'm taking care of my teeth, keeping them healthy and strong. Regular brushing helps prevent cavities and bad breath, so I make sure to do it every day without forgetting.